Hey, what's going on? This is Queen right here with my Ninja 300. So I put one side on, but I got my grips in the mail the other day. Barely starting to put them on now. Got them between 12 and 15 bucks on eBay. Yeah, I know it's it's a cheap brand, but I'm pretty sure it'll do what it has to do. So brings a sticker. It has 3M. I haven't washed my bike yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Scuff marks off my bike right quick. Alright, so again, this is what it looks like. Has a little Ninja 3, I'm sorry, minus the 300, but it has the Ninja sign on it. So this is how you put it on. It's nothing, no brainer, whatever. Bring the red sticker loose from the pad. Like I said, it has 3M on it. Having a little hard time right quick. Hold on a second. Bring it off of there completely. You go ahead and line your tip from where you want it. It's not going to be an edge-to-edge thing, but pretty sure it's going to do what it has to do. You put it on there, got it where you want it, press onto it, make sure it's all stuck on there, no air pockets, no bubbles. Just because you stick it on there doesn't mean that it's just going to be on there. You have to make sure you press on it so that it can grab, the adhesion can grab completely onto the tank. So make sure everything's legit, make sure everything's right. And this is exactly what it looks like when it's on there. So again, this is Queen with my Ninja 300. Little add-on upgrade. That's what it looks like on both sides. Off of eBay, 12 to 15 bucks. If I'm not mistaken, they give you a little discount of 5 or 10%, so it came out to like 11 or 10 something. So got here within the week from overseas. Again, this is Queen with my Ninja 300 out.